Hey everybody, it's Julie. So as some of you may have seen in a recent short, I got a huge gift haul from a friend, and I have all of these boxes, and some of them have nothing written on them, and this one has nesting green Pyrex with lids. I haven't opened it up yet. Let's see what's inside. So I'll put a link in the description to the short where I showed you the huge haul, the way that it filled up my car. So you can see, there's a lid, there's the other lid. I love Pyrex. I have a feeling I'm going to love it no matter what. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's a light green double spouted bowl with no dishwasher damage, and it has a lid. And here's the dark avocado green bowl with no dishwasher damage, and it has a lid. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos as I unveil this amazing gift haul that I got from a friend.